If it's your job to lead or manage people, I want to give you 5 things not to do as a manager because, well, people hate these things. And I'm going to give you some alternates instead. So the first one here is micromanaging. People hate to be micromanaged, and I'm sure you know that. And more than anything, what micromanaging does is it shows that you don't trust your people. What you want to do instead is provide clear expectations of what they are supposed to accomplish and then let them do it. If they fail, that's fine. You can help them pick up the pieces, but that's the only way that they're going to grow from that. Number 2, ignoring feedback. Your people are going to give you feedback on how you can do a better job if you'll let them. But when you don't allow that, that really just lowers the morale of the whole team. And they end up disliking you, really. So instead, what you want to do is you want to encourage open dialogue. You want to encourage basically open door policy. You want to make sure that your team feels that they can come to you at any time and share anything that they want with you. Number 3, lack of recognition. Bad managers, they don't recognize their people. Now, even there are some good managers who aren't comfortable recognizing their best people or that they feel that they don't need it. But what you want to do instead is you want to celebrate their successes. And that doesn't mean you have to give them a plaque, a trophy, a cupcake, a cookie, or anything. It could just be a simple, hey, thanks, you did a good job. But to take that one step further, when you recognize someone, it's so much more powerful if you do it publicly. So even if you do it in an email that it's public to everyone, hey, nice job, or especially if you have a weekly team meeting, as soon as that person walks in, one of the first things you might want to say is, hey, Julie did a great job in landing that account. Let's give her a big applause. That kind of recognition is huge, and it didn't cost you a dime. Okay, number 4 here, poor communication. What this does more than anything is it just creates a lot of uncertainty and misunderstanding, and it's just a very bad trait of a leader. Instead, what you want to do is prioritize clear, frequent, and honest communication, open communication, because that's what leaders do. And then the last one here, number 5, avoiding difficult conversations. Obviously, when you're leading a team of people, there are going to be some times where it's not going to be comfortable to talk. But if you just run and hide or ignore it, or you ignore that person who keeps hounding you for a raise, you're really damaging, your relationship with the team. You're damaging the rapport, and that's just going to create an environment for problems to really just fester and grow. So instead, what you want to do, develop the skills to manage conflicts. It's really not hard. All you really have to do is just address the issues as they arise and show your team that you're there for them and that you respect them, and this will help you create a thriving work environment for everybody, and everybody will want to continue working for you because they feel that you are a strong leader. All right, my friend, that's all I have for you. If you need help hiring the best people, because if you lead and manage people, I encourage you to grab this book here. You can get this from thesimplehiring.com, and this is going to show you how to interview and hire the very best people for your team. All right, my friend, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.